Hi, my name is Arundhati and welcome to the Aham Yoga channel. In today's video, we're going to quickly explore the correct distance for downward facing dog. It is one of my all-time favorite poses. I love to teach it. I love to do it. There are so many good things about this pose. But the only thing we're going to look at in today's video very quickly is how to get the distance between your hands and your feet right. Because most often we either go too wide or too narrow. Okay, so I'm going to give you one quick fix that will take care of getting you your right distance between your hands and your feet. So let's get started. To begin, you want to lie on your belly. Okay, bring your hands next to your mid chest. Where you don't want your hands is right in front of your shoulders. If you notice your fingers have moved beyond your shoulders, it's too far forward. You want your hands at your mid chest, somewhere where you can roll open your shoulders. Then you curl your toes in. Now leave your hands where they are and press into your mat and lift your chest up and your hips. And keep pressing into your hands and lift the knees up and place your feet down. It's okay if your heels don't touch, but just by measuring out like this, you should have your perfect distance for your down dog. So let's do that one more time very quickly. Lie on your belly, hands at your mid chest. Roll your shoulders back, press into your hands, and then lift up, curl the toes, and then bring yourself up. Okay, now just drop your knees and watch the screen for a moment. A lot of times people walk their feet forward because they think the heels have to touch. If you do that, you take away the length from your back. Okay, so you want to keep that length in your spine. So I hope that was helpful. Just remember, hands at your mid chest, and then you lift yourself back up and you should have your perfect distance for downward facing dog. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching. Enjoy your practice.